In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Chat app on Android. By the end, you'll confidently install the app from the Google Play Store, sign in, and start chatting right away. I'll also point out an easy alternative if you'd rather not install anything. First, grab your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace on Android and the safest place to get Google Chat. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Google Chat, then pause for a moment to review the results. You're looking for the official app titled Google Chat from the developer Google LLC. Checking the developer name is a simple way to make sure you're getting the genuine app and not a lookalike. When you found Google Chat by Google LLC, tap it to open the app page. Now tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app. Depending on your connection, this might take a moment, so it's a good time to make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have a stable mobile data signal. When the installation finishes, you'll see an open button. Tap Open to launch Google Chat for the first time. After installing, you'll sign in with your Google account. This is the same account you use for Gmail and other Google services. Once you're signed in, you can immediately start chatting with people who use Gmail addresses. Just search for a contact, open a conversation, and send your first message. If you collaborate with others, try creating a group chat or a space. Spaces are designed for teams or ongoing topics, making it easy to keep discussions organized. Within chats and spaces, you can share files and images along with your messages, so everything your team needs stays in one place. This is especially helpful for quick reviews, brainstorming, or keeping track of updates without jumping between apps. Here's an important note before we wrap up. Installing the standalone Google Chat app is completely optional. If you prefer, you can use Google Chat inside the Gmail app you may already have on your phone or access it in a browser at chat.google.com. The experience is very similar, so choose whichever setup fits your workflow best. That's it. You've opened the Play Store, found the official Google Chat app by Google LLC, installed it, and opened it to sign in and start chatting, create group conversations or spaces, and share files and images with ease. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with Google Chat on your Android device.